If the instant option not showing on your Instagram account, don't worry. This usually happens because Instagram does not give new feature to all users at the same time. Some accounts get updates earlier while other gets them late depending on your region, device or account type. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated from Google Play Store or App Store. After updating, restart your phone and open Instagram again. Sometimes features appear after a fresh login. If it still does not show, try logging out of your account and login back in. You can also clear the app cache on Android or uninstall the app. This step helps refresh missing feature. Another important thing is patience. Instagram often tests new feature like instant with limit user first. If your account is not included the test group, you will not see it yet. If you think there is a problem, you can contact Instagram support. Click Profile. Go to menu bar. Then click Help. Click Report a technical problem. Then click Report problem. Click Include and Continue and explain the instant option is missing from your account. In most cases, the feature will appear automatically in few days or few weeks once Instagram enables it for account. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.